Tonight we're going along Las Olas Boulevard in Fort Lauderdale to see what it's like. It's Sunday, February 15, 2026, and the time is 7:29 p.m. The temperature is just right for a simple shirt. Comment below where you're watching from, if you've been here before at night, and what your experience was like.
Take a video of the guy. We gave him money now. You can take a video of him. Take a video of him.
Oh.
Very aesthetic.
Families, couples, and lone workers can be seen on the bright streets, and the majority of establishments are open. It has a bustling yet orderly vibe. Las Olas is well known for its fine dining restaurants and nightlife. It is a top location for upscale shopping. Typically on a weekend night, more people are gathered by restaurants, bars, and any other special event that may be taking place that day. Las Olas Boulevard real estate in Fort Lauderdale offers a high-class, walkable lifestyle with a mix of luxurious waterfront properties, large single-family homes, and modern high-rise condos, often referred to as the Venice of America because of how beautiful it is. Located between downtown and the ocean, and is close to all the high-end restaurants, shops, and art galleries that we're seeing tonight. Up ahead, I notice at least 2 patrol cars. That, of course, means that there are police here, which will help to keep any issues at bay. Las Olas Boulevard is a popular tourist destination with a bustling, busy vibe that promotes safety, even more so in the city core and the neighborhood surrounding the beach.
Every time you get stopped, they check your car license plate.
I feel comfortable and safe going for walks by myself, with friends, and with family. I would recommend it to anyone who wishes to experience it, and I always look forward to having a great time when I come here.
Stomach in, papi.
What do you want me to do? Yeah, it's stuck in your stomach.
Mama, did I eat? Would you feel safe walking here? In general, does it appear safe to you? Would you bring your family at night? For myself, I would say a definite yes. Would you tell us what you think in the comments? This feels more posh and under control than other South Florida nightlife spots.
Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, just cross the bridge and walk back. We went to a perfume place.
If you'd like to see Las Olas during the day for comparison, I'll link that video here.